Welcome to highlights from the grand opening ceremony of Tergus Pharma's new manufacturing facility and world headquarters, held May 13th, 2021. Tergus was honored to have many special guests and dignitaries attend the ceremony, including North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper. North Carolina Utilities Commissioner Floyd McKissick introduced Governor Cooper. The governor spoke about celebrating not only Tergus's grand opening, but also North Carolina's ecosystem of innovation, entrepreneurship in biotechnology and life sciences, as well as the importance of investing in education and job training in North Carolina. North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein followed Governor Cooper at the podium and spoke of his commitment to ensure that North Carolina is as safe and strong as it can be to continue attracting investments from companies like Tergus. Jeff Durham, President and CEO of the Greater Durham Chamber of Commerce, talked about expanding the support ecosystem necessary to help grow the diverse industries in the Triangle area of North Carolina. Doug Edgerton, President and CEO of the NC Biotechnology Center, discussed partnering with Tergus to provide opportunities for community college graduates in the state. The speaking portion of the ceremony was capped by encouraging words from Tergus Chairman and CEO, Dr. Virginia Nell-Matthew, who expressed his gratitude to local state and government officials, the business community, past and present customers, and the employees of Team Tergus. The official ribbon cutting was done by Dr. Nell-Matthew, his wife and Tergus board member Debbie Nell-Matthew, Governor Cooper, and Tergus board member Eddie Herpy, after which Governor Cooper and Attorney General Josh Stein were invited inside. Dr. Nell-Matthew then led a guided tour of the facility for several dignitaries, starting in the administrative offices and moving to the laboratory area. Tergus has nearly 13,000 square feet of laboratory space, where we can provide services for topical formulation development, analytical R&D, skin biology, IVPT skin permeation studies, and IVRT studies. Tergus offers preclinical development for all topical dosage forms, all drug types, from small molecule to protein to biologics. The tour then proceeded to view some of the manufacturing areas through large, sealed windows that permit the viewing of these areas without needing to gown up, per Tergus's strict quality protocols. Tergus is proud to now offer 6 manufacturing suites, a hermetically segregated suite for highly potent API manufacturing, and another one for manufacturing products containing hormones. Thank you for watching these highlights from our grand opening event. Once again, we'd like to thank all of our customers, business partners, and North Carolina state and local government officials for helping Tergus to become one of the premier topical CDMOs in the country. And of course, a huge thank you to Team Tergus, the employees who have dedicated themselves to providing the experience, know-how, and hard work that our clients depend upon for their success. Please contact us for more information about Tergus Pharma's services. Thank you.